So guys, muna po nila mong trabaho guys. Bullshit. Este. You see it? It's still dark na panuay. Walking pa tayo ng almost an hour. Let's see why this happening. Ay, nako. See? Very dark. This is rubbers. Rubber. Oh. Piste nga. Trabaho guys. Rubber. See? Very dark. But yes, you have to start working. Walking and walking. What the F? Could you imagine walking in the middle of nowhere alone through this darkness? What the heck? I don't like it anymore. Kakabuisit na. Look. So bullshit. Ay, my goodness. See? I don't know whose idea is this. It's not funny anymore. You don't even know what's ahead of this narrow road. Sa may pasimuno pa ni. Whoever initiated this idea is an animal. That's what I can say. You're animal. This is your idea. What the heck? See? Oh. Trees. Look. Oh. Still dark. Buisit yung kuhaan ba? Kung saan pang nag-idea ni maunta ano ba? Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Nakalagot na. You have to cross this hanging bridge. This is so risky. See? Oh my goodness. Huh? Did you see that? I can work hardly on the farm, but walking in the dark so early for an hour, what the hell? Cross the river. See that? Oh. I don't know if there is something hiding there. And walking is very hungry. Kahit sulang tarong sa balay ninyo, di buwanta kag lamlam ug asin. Piste po. Sige lang work. Pobre gihapon.